Hey guys, welcome to tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign out of your ChatGPT account on your Android device, and let's dive right in. Now, in order to log out of our ChatGPT account, first let's go to the browser on which we had signed into the ChatGPT platform like this. And you can see, guys, I have already signed into my ChatGPT account on my browser. And if I wanted to log out of over here, you can see the three line icon at the top left corner of your phone or this page, just below the home icon. Tap on that three line icon like this, and after this interface appears at the bottom of the screen or the bottom of the list, you can see the logout option available at the bottom left corner. Tap on that logout button like this, and you will be successfully logged out or signed out of your chat gpt account on your browser on your Android device like this. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.